Hi everyone, and welcome back to Awritingguy. Today's video is going to be a bit different. As you can see, I'm in a car and apparently I know how to go outside. On the agenda today, I have to visit this pen store, or art supply store to be exact, as well as filming a work with me background music video that you could watch later after this. We have arrived. I've known the place since they first opened in 2016, and the owner was actually the person who filmed me in a calligraphy-esque video that you can watch right here. Their selection of fountain pen related items is not the most extensive one out there, but it's good enough to get anybody started. Then there is this Iroshizuku ink set for their 100th anniversary, and I was definitely tempted, but I held back, as we all do inside any fountain pen store. Unfortunately, the plan was to film the work music video in their open space working area, but there were some minor renovation going on, so I decided to head back to another favorite writing spot as the clouds were coming in. The filming was a bit tricky, as the camera was heating up constantly from a lot of lengthy filming, but in the end everything worked out nicely. If you have watched this far into the video, thank you, and please let me know your thoughts on it down in the comments section below. For more fountain pen related content, please check out the Instagram or head over to awritingguy.com for written reviews and article. And on the right corner of this video, there will be a card showing the results of today's filming session. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.